basically going to be a review of the NiLight off-road lights. This is dim. That is with the off-road lights. Dim again. Bright lights. Off-road lights. Off-road, bright, with off-road, back to dim. This time too. Well, I'll say that all this stuff we intend to do is all totally dependent on how the van does. We've got 2 weeks in case we want to spend them. We've got to be back in Thanksgiving. Well, we don't have to be, but we'll be back Thanksgiving for the family. But we haven't been on the road in a while. We're enjoying ourselves, the van's holding up. We may stay out. We've got a lot to do back at the arcade with other Jeeps and stuff, but we haven't been on the road so long that we want to enjoy this. Do some bike riding, some drone flying, some fishing, and that can hopefully be successful at fishing. So far, our fishing has been a joke. Okay, this is just with dim lights. That's with bright lights. That is with the off-road lights and bright. Back to bright. Back to dim. Off-road lights also have a running light. I don't know that you can even distinguish, or we even can tell when it's on. It's good for rain and to help other people see you. It's a brighter white than the headlights. Let's see if we can even tell. I don't think you can even tell. Careful, you'll leave that switch on, kill the battery. Again, this is basically a review of our off-road lights. Again, dim, off-road, off-road with bright. Just brights. Big difference. We have some more lights we want to put on. 20 light bar up top. We want to get some lights on our Jeeps. A lot of stuff we want to do. In the morning, about 56 degrees, I think. Back to dim. We'll stop up here at the Loves of the Quick Trip 1 and spend the rest of the evening. We'll go ahead and get a video up, not this one, remodeled this Love's. The bathrooms are real nice. The whole place is nicer. They don't have a lot of space at this Love's. They just about had to do some upgrades because that new Quick Trip that opened is so nice. Of course, you got the Flying J down the road and the TA on the other side of the bridge. The TA is nice. That Flying J, I like it, but it has really gone downhill these last couple of years. They need new management, new help. Maybe not new help. If they had a good manager, the help would probably shape up. But that Denny's, it needs help. I think they can do a whole lot better, a whole lot more and better business if the Denny's was nice and the Flying J was nice. Off-road lights at NiLight. Again, off-road with dim, off-road with bright, back to dim, only dim. Go ahead and turn this one off and it'll be a wrap. It may be coming back around. Tractor ought to run them down here for me.